Welcome to our video titled Top 6 Essential Projector Accessories and Car Air Freshener for Ultimate Home Experience. In today's video, we'll dive into some of the best products that can completely transform your home entertainment setup and your car's interior. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. The BYINTEK Projector Projection Portable Screen is a game changer for those looking to elevate their movie nights or gaming sessions. Available in 100-inch and 120-inch sizes, this 16:9 foldable screen is perfect for 4K projectors, offering a large viewing area for an immersive experience. What makes this screen stand out is its versatility. It supports both front and rear projection, allowing you to use it indoors and outdoors. Whether you're setting it up in your living room or for a cozy outdoor movie night, this screen ensures vibrant and clear visuals thanks to its durable matte white cloth material. Plus, it's super easy to transport, so you can take it to your next backyard gathering or camping trip. Number 5. Next, we have the top-quality luxury floor stand designed for BYINTEK projectors. This stand is specifically built for models like P20, P70, U80, and others, making it a great addition to your projector setup. Its sturdy metal construction, with a 1.4 m metal rod and 24 cm metal disc, ensures solid support for your projector. The heavy-duty 1.92 kg metal base provides stability, so you don't have to worry about your projector tipping over. What's really impressive is its adjustable height range, from 80 centimeters to 135 centimeters, which ensures that you get the optimal viewing angle every time. It also features universal pan-tilt capabilities, allowing you to position your projector exactly how you want for the best viewing experience. Number 4. Let's talk about the VEVSHAO V80 4K Projector, an absolute powerhouse that brings your home theater experience to life. This projector features full HD 1080p resolution and a brightness of 2200 ANSI lumens, making it perfect for both dark and well-lit rooms. The standout feature of the VEVSHAO V80 is its seamless integration with Android TV 11.0, giving you access to a wide range of apps and streaming services. It also supports 3D visuals and has an automatic focus function, so you always get a sharp, clear image. For an immersive experience, this projector comes with dual 20W subwoofer speakers, ensuring powerful sound that matches its impressive visuals. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6, you'll experience faster streaming speeds and smoother performance. Number 3. The VEVSHAO A25 Projector Mini is an ideal choice for anyone looking for portability without compromising on quality. With advanced LCD technology and up to 1080p resolution, this mini projector ensures that your images are sharp and vivid. Despite its compact size, it boasts a brightness of 1000 lumens, which makes it perfect for use in rooms with decent lighting. Its multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and VGA, make it incredibly versatile for different devices. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving a presentation, this projector is the perfect travel companion. With a lamp life of up to 5 hours, you can enjoy countless hours of entertainment without worrying about frequent replacements. Number 2. Next, we have the VEVSHAO A25 Projector, a smart home theater projector that offers both 4K support and full HD 1080p resolution. This projector delivers crystal-clear visuals with 1200 ANSI lumens of brightness, ensuring that your viewing experience remains vivid even in well-lit environments. With Android 9.0 and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, this projector lets you stream movies, presentations, and apps with ease. The 6D keystone correction feature is also a standout, allowing you to adjust the image for perfectly aligned visuals. This projector is a great option for both home entertainment and office meetings, offering a seamless combination of performance and functionality. Number 1. Finally, we have the Baseus Car Air Freshener perfume, a must-have for anyone looking to add a touch of luxury and freshness to their car. This electric air freshener features a 60 milliliters fragrance cup that offers 3 different aroma options: cologne, white tea, and peach. The press-to-adjust functionality allows you to customize the fragrance intensity, so you can enjoy a pleasant environment tailored to your preference. Made from durable plastic and glass, this air freshener is designed to fit perfectly into your car's cup holder, ensuring easy access to the fragrance controls. With its sleek design and long-lasting performance, it's a small yet impactful addition to your car's interior. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.